What's up, everybody out there? If you've been following along for a while, you know that I had a 2012 Nissan Maxima as my daily. That was kind of our test vehicle for a lot of our chemical and just different things we were doing on the car, like fuel treatments, oil treatments, stuff like that. But that car was starting to get a lot of mileage on it, and somebody had backed into it. So I decided to look for something else, and I actually found something that I'd been wanting for a while, and I found out the price on them had come way down. So our new test vehicle that you're going to be seeing a lot of is this 2015 Infiniti Q50 all-wheel drive. This was actually the car I was looking for when I bought the Maxima, but it was way out of my budget. But since then, they have come down, and with everything going on with COVID right now, you can actually get a pretty good deal on a car. I got the extended warranty on it at cost. So this will be our new test vehicle. I've already ordered some parts for it. Like the first day I had it, I ordered like 2 or 3 different things. And you'll also see some chemical reviews on it, such as gas treatments and oil treatments. So there's our new vehicle, everybody. Get used to seeing it.